This what you'll find in Usher's R25m mansion. Usher has listed his 7-bedroom and 8.5-bathroom mansion, which comes complete with a climate-controlled treehouse, for R25 million. Usher has put his Georgia mansion up for sale for R25 million, and it comes with a climate-controlled treehouse. Should the main part of the 39-year-old singer's plush 7-bedroom property not tempt a potential seller to splash out near the R29 million, then a quick tour of the wooded spectacle, which also features a slide, could well do. According to The Blast, the Maibu hitmaker has slashed his original asking price of the house, which he bought from music manager L.A. Reid in 1998 for R17 million, from R35 million to R25 million. If the treehouse doesn't do it for a possible purchaser, then all is not lost, as the 8.5-bathroom mansion, which is located in Alpharetta, Georgia, is packed full of features, including a gourmet kitchen fit for forging a feast. After cooking up some delicacies, new buyers might want to head to the master bathroom for a relaxing session, as it comes complete with a sauna, soaking spa and rain shower. What's more, those into their fitness could find the plush pad ideal, as the home features its own yoga studio and ice bath, ideal for working off those beverages consumed in the covered terrace bar. But anyone who wants to practice their dance moves before a tour or even a night out might like to head to the guest house, because it comes complete with a private dance studio. Usher previously put the abode on the market in 2008 for R28 million, but delisted it 2 months later.